Welcome to Lubi Electronics. Today we will showcase the Advantech 𝗵𝗃𝗀𝗃 series, the cutting-edge solution designed to revolutionize your industrial automation and control systems. Today we will explore how this innovative series can enhance your operations with its advanced features and capabilities. The 𝗵𝗃𝗀𝗃 series is a versatile, highly integrated solution combining input-output modules, controllers, and communication gateways into a single and compact unit. This series is engineered to provide seamless integration, robust performance, and unparalleled flexibility with a wide range of industrial applications. Let's dive into some of the key features that make Advantech 𝗵𝗃𝗀𝗃 series stand out. Versatile input-output modules, high-performance processor, advanced networking capabilities, rugged design, easy configuration and management. The 𝗵𝗃𝗀𝗃 series is perfect for a variety of applications such as remote monitoring and control, industrial IoT, factory automation. By choosing the 𝗵𝗃𝗀𝗃 series, you benefit from improved efficiency, enhanced connectivity, scalability, reliability. Experience the future of industrial automation with the Advantech 𝗵𝗃𝗀𝗃 series. Visit our website or contact our sales team to learn more about how this innovative series can transform your operations. Thank you for watching.